Meet Brugmansia, also known as angel's trumpet, a plant as beautiful as it is dangerous. Like its relative Datura, Brugmansia contains tropane alkaloids causing powerful hallucinations, but also extreme toxicity. Some indigenous cultures used it for spiritual visions, but in the wrong hands it can lead to delirium, amnesia, and even death. Its effects can last for days, with users experiencing bizarre, dreamlike states, but with no control over reality. Unlike other hallucinogens, Brugmansia is considered one of the most dangerous, with many cases of accidental poisoning. Beautiful but deadly, should Brugmansia be respected as a sacred plant or avoided completely? Subscribe for more fascinating nature and science stories.